A radiator is an important part of your car engine's cooling system, but sediment buildup from heated metal and evaporating water can clog the radiator over time, which can cause your car to overheat. So let's give it a good cleaning. Today we're going to use Simple Green Pro HD Heavy Duty Cleaner. Pour about a cup of Simple Green into just under a gallon of water, preferably distilled to prevent any possible mineral deposits in your engine. Next, you'll want to drain the radiator. Make sure it's cool to the touch before opening the cap. Place a drainage pan or other container beneath the drain cock opening on your radiator and use gloves or pliers to open the drain cock on the bottom of your car's radiator. Be careful not to unscrew it too far or it may pour out too fast. You don't want this stuff on the ground. Let it drain fully, then replace the drain plug. Now add the cleaning solution. Pour the solution slowly into the fill hole on the top of the radiator until full. Then close the cap. Let the mixture remain in the radiator for about 5 minutes, then start the engine and let it run for another 5 minutes to allow the cleaner to cycle through. The motor needs to warm up to operating temperature to allow the thermostat to open and let the cleaning solution flow from the radiator to and around the motor and back. Now turn off the engine, open the drain cock and drain the fluid. Then use the hose or other water source to fill the radiator with water. Turn on the engine once more and allow it to idle for 5 minutes. Then turn it off, open the drain cock again and allow the water to drain, then replace the drain cock once more. After this, you'll add the recommended amount of coolant to the radiator and replace the radiator cap. Thanks for watching. Head to simplegreen.com for more how-to videos and cleaning tips for keeping your home simple green clean.